Hi. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to send emails with PDF data using PDF.co and Make. We will use this sample PDF invoice and parse the following info: invoice number, invoice date, client name, subtotal, sales tax, and total. So, let's get started. To begin, let's start by creating a new scenario. Next, search and select the PDF.co app. Then, choose to parse a document module. Let's set up the configuration. We will select import a file from URL in the input file field. Next, input the source file link in the URL field. Then, enter the template ID in the document parser template ID field. You can create the template ID in the PDF.co document parser page. For the output format field, select your desired format. In our case, we will use the JSON format. Now, let's run the scenario. The result will display the extracted data. Let's add another module. Select the Gmail app and choose to send an email module. Let's set up the Gmail send email configuration. First, click on the Show Advanced Settings. Next, input your email address in from field. Then, enter the recipient's email address into field. For the subject field, enter the client's name. For the content field, we will use the corresponding parse PDF data in the email body such as client name, invoice number, invoice date, subtotal, sales tax, and total. After setting up, click the Run button to see the result. Once the request is processed correctly, Gmail will send a message ID. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.